Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here. We're going to discuss the 1962 East German Meyer Optik Görlitz Domiplan 50mm f2.8. It has 3 elements. Let's look at the photographs it takes, and you know we're coming back. Okay, so you saw a few photos that I took just today here at Sailor Snug Harbor in New York City. It's a great botanical garden and public park. All right, so this is photo class 674, and it's all about this lens. Let me take it off the adapter, and we'll take a close look at it. So this is the lens. This is the Meyer Optik Görlitz Domiplan. This is 50mm f2.8. There's only 3 elements in this entire lens. Now, why did I pick this lens up for $40 on eBay? Well, first of all, nobody was buying it. I was watching it for a few days, and nobody was buying it because it had an exacta mount, and it's not a very popular mount like the L mount is, or the X mount, or the EF mount, or an F mount, etc. So all you need is this adapter. This is the exacta mount to LEICA camera mount adapter. I'm shooting it today on the LEICA SL full frame digital camera. So now you would buy this East German lens, which you know East Germany in 1962 was controlled by the Soviet Union. And the reason you buy this lens is for the background bokeh, the background blur. You wouldn't buy this just to shoot it at f8, because then you just have a very boring nifty 50. All right, so let's look at a few more photographs where the background blur is crazy excellent. So this lens has 3 elements, like I said, but it has 6 aperture blades. Now you'll notice this is a aperture lever. Okay, and you'll see that when I press it in, it closes down. Now that's pretty ingenious, because when this was attached to your exacta camera, right, you would focus wide open, and then right before you take the photograph, you would close your aperture down and take the photograph. It was a wonderful invention. This way, if you set your aperture, let's say to 5.6, right, you would focus wide open, which is f2.8, and then right before you take the photograph, it would close down to 5.6 or any other aperture you set. And the aperture ring is right on the very front of the lens. this ring here is the focus ring. It's very, very narrow, so if you have fat fingers like me, you have to be careful, because otherwise you'll just be changing the aperture. It does take 49mm filters, but what I bought was a 49mm lens hood, and I just screw it into the filter threads, and now you have a lens hood. Okay, so now the lens was in pretty good condition for $40, and like I mentioned, the only reason you would buy the Meyer Optik Görlitz Domiplan 50mm 2.8 is for the background blur. So this lens was in production from 1962 to 1979. You can get them on any of the auction sites from $30 to $120, depending on the condition. Don't spend $120 on this lens. $40 is just about right. Now, how do I know that this is from 1962 when it was in production from 1962 to 1979? It's these, what they call zebra squares, silver squares on the black body. That's how they made them originally. And then eventually, as time went on, they made an all black version. So if you find an all black version, you have a newer one made closer to 1979. All right, so we're going to look at more photographs. All of them were shot wide open at f2.8 for the bokeh blurry goodness. And I want you to subscribe, thumbs up, comment below, and for 99 cents become a member of this channel. The link is in the description.